In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete my Mailerlite account. To begin, open Mailerlite in your web browser and log in to the account that you want to delete. Make sure you are signing in to the correct Mailerlite account before moving forward, because this process is meant for permanently removing an account. If you manage more than one account or workspace, taking a moment to confirm that you are in the right place can help prevent deleting the wrong one. Once you are logged in, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon there. This is usually where Mailerlite keeps account-related options, including settings, profile controls, and account management tools. Click your profile icon to open the drop-down menu. After the menu opens, look through the available options and select Account Settings. This section is where you can manage important account-level preferences. It may include details connected to your account, plan, and other administrative options. Selecting Account Settings will take you away from the main dashboard and into the area where you can access the controls needed for account management. Now that you are in the Account Settings area, look near the top of the page for your account name. You may also see information about your current plan, such as the free plan, depending on how your account is set up. Click your account name at the top. This is important because it helps you open the account selection or account management view, where Mailerlite lets you manage the specific account you are currently using. After clicking your account name, you should see an option labeled New Account. Click New Account. This may seem like it is only for creating another account, but in this flow, it brings you to the account area where you can view account options. Take your time on this screen and make sure you are following the menu path carefully, because the delete option is not always visible from the first settings page. Next, look for the three dots menu. This icon usually represents more options for the account. It may appear beside the account name or in the account list. Click the three dots to open the Extra Options menu. Once the menu appears, look for the Delete Account button. Click Delete Account to continue. At this point, Mailerlite is starting the deletion process, but the account has not been permanently deleted yet. Mailerlite will now ask you to select a reason for leaving. Choose the option that best matches why you want to delete the account. This feedback helps the platform understand why users leave, but it is simply part of the deletion form. After selecting a reason, you will also be asked to enter your account password. Enter your password carefully in the password field. This password confirmation is used to verify that you are authorized to make a permanent change to the account. Before continuing, pause for a moment and make sure you are ready to delete the account permanently. Account deletion is typically final, and it can remove access to your account settings, campaigns, subscribers, and other stored information connected to that account. If you are sure you want to proceed, continue to the final confirmation. Once the reason is selected and your password has been entered, click Delete Account Permanently. This is the final action in the process. After clicking it, Mailerlite will process the deletion request and your account will be permanently deleted. That covers everything you need to know.